Let me show you how to properly reset your bulb security camera if it's not properly working. For this we are going to need like a small needle or also SIM ejector tool. And first we have to actually screw it in inside the power and turn it on. So I'll simply screw in this table lamp over here. And we have to wait for it to turn on. It will start talking. Let's wait a bit. Okay.
Camera is starting. Please wait.
So simply wait a bit till it finishes. Also it will test itself. So simply wait.
Reset completed. Camera is restarting.
So I already did it previously. But yeah, what you do is after you basically turn it on, what you have to do is, as you see, you have a tiny reset hole.
Camera is starting. Please wait.
Over here. So what you do is you simply take this thing over here. So
Bluetooth is ready. Please scan the QR code on the camera and wait for the connection.
okay, so yeah, let it finish, and then again we simply have to show inside this tiny tool, inside this hole. Also we have to do it in a bit of angle, because if you actually insert it all the way like this, so you see it goes in without any resistance. So the reset button inside is in a bit of angle. So you simply insert inside and feel where you feel the resistance, and then it kind of clicks. Not sure you can hear, but yeah, you click and hold it for a few seconds.
Completed. Camera is restarting.
So you see it then resets itself. So you click that button inside, hold for maybe like 5 or 10 seconds, and then it will reset everything and you can connect it as a fresh. By the way, also when you install the app for it, also make sure your Wi-Fi is running in the 2.4 GHz frequency, because these lamps obviously are kind of low end, and again they do not simply run in 5 GHz Wi-Fi networks. So you have set in your Wi-Fi settings, your Wi-Fi router, your Wi-Fi network to run in 2.4 GHz. Otherwise, again, it won't properly work and won't even properly connect, and you'll basically will wonder why it's not working. So again, that's the most common issue. You simply are running your Wi-Fi network in the wrong frequency. Okay, good luck.